Class 7 NCERT Chapter 12 Question 4 State the main difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. So the answer is इस साइड हम लिखेंगे asexual and on other side is sexual. Asexual, it requires only one parent, and sexual requires a male and female parent. The next is daughter cells forms are identical to parents and to each other. The next is newly formed offspring. Newly formed offspring show variation in comparison of the parents. The next is special reproductive organs are not required. Special reproduction organs are required. This is first point, this is second, this is third point, then next fourth is example. Yeast, rose, etc. In this, insects, animals, that's it.